So in today's video is going to be an update on my rolling project tin pan. So this is just kind of where I'm putting in items that I'm hoping I can use up relatively quickly, and then just a couple of extras as well. But most of them are items I want to use up really quickly. And if you don't know, if you're new here, I am moving at the end of July, so it's going to go until the end of July. I have already used up 2 items, and it is rolling, so I've rolled into new items. And today I have another empty, and that is this Benefit. Whoops. Here we are. That is this Benefit Porefessional primer. It was just a little mini guy. I used it up pretty quickly. I like it. But it's all gone now. So I will, I've added a bunch new. I did add one new item. That is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. You can see it's down to here. I have a little bit less than 2 months left of this project. I definitely think this will be gone by then. I don't want to mark it because I can back to MAC this, I believe. So I'm going to do that. But this weighs 45 grams. Next, we have the other 9 items were already in this project. We have the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. I do have it on today. I like it a lot. It's really nice. It weighs 13 grams, which is the same as last time. But maybe I can get that done in 2 months. I definitely think that's possible. I have the American Fidelity Chapstick. I don't know. I just like it. I need a chapstick. I still have a bunch left. That's rolled all the way down. So I don't think I'll be using this up in 2 months, but I've been using it and we'll see what happens. And this still weighs 14 grams. Next, we have the Eyeko. That's where I draw the line eyeliner. I do have this on today. This actually gained a gram. It went from 6 to 5 back to 6. I like it. It's fine. It's getting a little bit less pigmented, so we'll see. Maybe in the next 2 months, but I've been using eyeshadow a lot as eyeliner, so I don't use that quite as much as I thought I might. Next, we have the Tarantino Dollskin Eye Primer. This still... Oh, I grabbed the wrong thing, but oh well. This still weighs 15 grams. I use it every day. It's not the best, but it works okay. So that. Then I have the Tarteist Lip Pencil. This weighs 3 grams, and I found out last time... Oh, no. Okay. Whoops. I can actually pull out the lip liner, and that's how much I have left, which is less than last time. So maybe it'll be gone in the next 2 months. I don't think it'll be finished by next month, but within the next 2, I'm thinking it can, and it still weighs 3 grams. We then have the Physicians Formula Green Concealer, which is right here. I had a picture, but I couldn't really tell a difference, so I didn't want to add it. But there it is. I've been using it a bunch. This actually still weighs 51 grams, as it did last time. So we'll just see. I don't know. I don't need it a lot. I have pretty good skin right now, so that's a good thing. I don't want to need it a lot, if that makes sense. But I've got that. Then the Be a Bombshell Smooth Criminal Face Powder. This is almost gone. I've already taken out the sifter because I had to, which is probably one of the reasons why I lost so much weight. But that's what I've got left. Not very much. This went from 15 grams last time to 2 grams today. Again, probably part of that is the sifter. I definitely think this will be gone by next month, though. Then we have the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze. This is the only bronzer I've been using, and I have it on today. It's a little orange, but I do like it. I haven't even hit pan. I don't think by the next 2 months I'll hit pan, but I'm working on it, which is what I want to do, you know, get use out of my items. And the last thing is this Chella Ivory Lace Highlighter. This actually has lost a gram, and I double checked that, but I haven't sharpened it, so it's still at that green line. But I've been using it. I only have till there, and I've seen some pencils that actually ended before that, so we'll see how much I have left. I don't know if I could use this up in 2 months, but I'm working on it. So 1 empty. I would like to have 10 finished before the end of July, which would mean I need 7 more in the next 2 months. Within the next month, I do think I'll be able to finish up this powder for sure. I don't know. I don't think I can finish up the Fix Plus. Maybe the mascara. So maybe 2 items. I don't know. We'll just see what happens. But that is my update. I try to update y'all at the end of the month. I just was out of town and I got some bad medical news. Everything's fine. I just had to get some further tests done, and it was totally fine. But when I was dealing with that, I didn't want to be filming. No offense. Just had a little bit of other stuff going on. But that's all finished. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please leave any questions, requests, suggestions, comments down below. Talking to you all is one of my favorite things, so I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, I'll just see y'all real soon. Bye.